Hey guys, welcome back to Loom Global Unboxing. Today I'm gonna be unboxing microphone boom arm. So let me get this out of this huge box here real quick. We can take a look at it. Here. Let's get this piece of crap out of here. Alright, now here we go. As you can see, this is the Rode PSA1 Plus desk mounted broadcast microphone boom arm. Alright. And I've heard good things about this specific arm. That's why I got it. So check the back here. Now this one is specifically what I really like about it is because it has a 360-degree rotation. So I like that about it. I can move it around better in my setup. And also comes with the 3/8 to 5/8 thread adapter for your microphone. Let's open this bad boy up. All right. Here we go. This here is the desk clamp. You see here, it's like it's a little bit of rubber, but it's not like there's not a lot of padding, you know, for your desk. There is not a lot of padding on that. So if you guys don't want to damage your table, I would suggest you put something here for extra padding, because there's not a lot there. Okay. Then we got a threaded, this is for like office desks that have the hole that you can thread them into. So this is very specific desk, or you can customize your desk for that, but they have the adapter ready here. So if you have a desk with a hole mount already in it, you can just install this and you'll be ready to go. Then get your little instruction manual. This all off here. Now the adapter is already installed. You guys can see that it's already installed on here. Let's get this clown out of here. All right. Now we got this stupid sleeve on here. Get this off. We are constantly wasting trees. I don't know why. It's so uncalled for. All right. Out of there, and you can see that Rode is branded on the sleeves here. I have a little sleeve, little cover on there. And then at the top you can see you got little grooves here, cable management. You can see that. Then you got a little runs down here and all the way down for your cable management. Now this bad boy holds about, the maximum weight I believe is 2.16 pounds microphone. So if you have anything heavier than that, I would not suggest you get this one. So make sure that you try not to exceed the weight limit on this bad boy, okay? But it has very good flexing. It's not loud either. It doesn't make a lot of noise when you flex it around. So it's very quiet. I like that. The sleeves are not bad. I know some people are gonna hate them or whatever, but they're not that bad. You know, if people hate them that much, they can take them off. But I don't have a problem with it. I'll probably just black it out so it blends in more. But I have no problem with the sleeves on here. But overall, this is probably the best microphone boom arm I've owned. I've owned all kind of different brands, and they've never been too good, let's just say. So this one is very sturdy. It's way sturdier than the ones I've had before, you know. So I have high hopes for this. I'm gonna slap this bad boy, put my microphone on there, slap it next to my gaming rig, and see what it looks like. Hey guys, so I have the Rode microphone boom arm set up. It is on my gaming PC right now. You guys can see, this is my computer right here. So I have the Blue Yeti on here. So it doesn't have any effect on it. It's pretty good. Pretty nice arm. And this, you know, it's spring loaded, so it moves up and down real good. But yeah, I would really suggest this bad boy if you guys need. Right now I have it facing from the back. I don't know really where's the final area where I'm gonna leave it is gonna be. So right now it's just basically, you guys can see, hooked on the back of my desk here, because the side, the lip doesn't go far enough, so I'm kind of limited to where I can actually put it. So I'm gonna try to figure out, you know, what area I can set it up as. So I'll try to get a good spot for it. But so far, I mean, it's fine where it is, but it could be a better location. But you know, it's really sturdy. The mic stays in place, everything's fine. Like, I touch it, like it'll move up and down, no problem. You know, I put my cable in the grooves here, you guys can see, down in the grooves here. But I also put a little bit of some clamps of my own that I had, and I put on here. But it's set up perfectly fine. So it's a very nice boom arm. Okay, so if you guys need a boom arm, you know, I suggest, if you can't get it right now, save up to get it, because this is a really great boom arm. Okay, it's very good. So if you can't get it now, save up and get it later. Trust it, take it from me, I've had a lot of different, you know, microphone boom arms, and cheap, there are a lot of garbage ones out there. So if you really want a nice one, I'd save up and get this one when you can. So hopefully that was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.